guys, so today I am going to be filming a what I eat in a weekend. So at the moment it is 10:24, so I feel like at the moment I just want to have my breakfast and get that done, because I think I might just have cereal for breakfast. But I really hope that you guys enjoy this little what I eat in a weekend. My cereal, which I just prepared, and I will see you guys when it is lunchtime. Hey guys, okay, so it is currently like a late-ish lunch at the moment, but I'm going to be making a little smoothie. So I actually have seen like a few people who have done smoothies for basically what they eat. So normally and usually I would have like a smoothie or some sort of protein drink around this time, just because I like to have protein drinks. I don't know why. I just like having them around this time because it's normally like the time I start editing and stuff like that. So normally on weekends that's what I do. So let's start off with the stuff we've got here. So I think I'm gonna try and make it's like a vegetable one today. I'm gonna be using carrot and cucumbers. I'm also gonna get some milk as well, because I feel like most of the time I have milk in my smoothies. I don't really not have milk in my smoothies, but I've got like a weird, interesting, different-ish way of making it. But I'm really excited, so you guys can come along with me as I do my little smoothie. Come apart for you. I don't believe in that. Trouble speaking whenever you're around, and tell me what you wanna do. I don't believe in that. What in pieces inside you, pull my strings and watch me come apart for you. I don't believe in that. I don't believe in that. Okay, so I've got the finished food here. I think it actually looks okay. I also have the other version here. I don't know, I think I tried to add like cinnamon on top. It looks better than it seems. Like, I think in the progress of it, it looked a bit funky, but now it just tastes really nice. So I'll try it for you guys right now. So now I will come back to you guys when it is dinner, because I know that after this is going to be dinner. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video. Okay, so since I was working on a video, my mum came up and she brought up my dinner, which is just some jollof rice from, I think it's like jollof rice that my dad prepared, if I'm not wrong, or my dad's friend prepared. Here is the food. I'm really excited to eat this because I'm actually really hungry at the moment, because it's now like 7 or 6-ish at the moment, but the food looks the bomb. I really like it. I've also got some chicken on the side, so I'm just going to enjoy this and have a nice time. So I really hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far. Okay guys, so it's currently Sunday. It's currently the last day of this video. So basically today I just want to have like a few bits of food. Like, I think yesterday I didn't really have much, but then I don't normally have like a bunch on the weekends anyways. But first of all, now I need to get my breakfast because it is currently 9:51, so it is time for some breakfast. Breakfast done. Hey guys, okay, so it is currently dinner time. So I actually had my lunch earlier, but it's just the same thing as I had yesterday, so I decided not to film that. But at the moment we are making our dinner. Well, my mum is, and I made spaghetti. So my mum is preparing most of this stuff over here, which looks really nice. And then I've got my pasta on the side here, because sometimes I have pasta, it depends really. I know that there's also rice as well, but I don't want to have rice again. So this is like basically the overview of all the food. But now I have got my food. It's really nice. I think this is the last official meal of the day. So you know what? I'm gonna make the most of it which is so nice. It's really nice. I really like Ben & Jerry's ice cream. I've always like been a big fan of them. Honestly, it's a nice way to end the night because it's currently 7:14. So it's not late, but I just wanted to have this because it felt so yummy and so nice. So for this video, I actually never realized that I never filmed an outro, which is kind of unusual with me because I usually film my good old outro at the end. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And I really appreciate every single one of you. I love you guys so much. And I will be saying a nice little bye-bye.